What up, Tribe Squad? It's your girl Shantism 101 back again with another video, and you know it's a bomb ass wig review. Girl, I'm struggling. If you are part of my Tribe Squad, drop a comment down below. Let me know that you are here and that you are living for this beautiful, simple, affordable work wig, girl. So if you want to know how I slay beginner-friendly wigs, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Alright guys, as you saw from the card, it's an oldie but a goodie, Peta, and she has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It is not a lace wig. This is a lace part wig. I think lace part wigs are perfect for beginners because you really only have to tackle the parting space. And that is a win in my opinion. It makes it a grab and go. And these type of wigs, especially this one here that I have in the color 1B, is perfect for work or any super cute occasion. Right now, she's looking a little Wednesday Addams on me. So I'm gonna work my magic. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Hey, if you're a new subscriber, I'm on a journey and I would appreciate that you join my Tribe Squad by clicking the link down below. Then you turn your post notifications on and you never miss an upload. It's just that simple. As you can see, my Tribe Squad's got the comment section popping, and all you have to do is drop a comment and you can be a part of it. Alrighty, so what I'm doing now is I'm just kind of checking out that parting space, trying to see how much work I may need to do to that girl. A little song break never hurt no one. But I'm also testing the hair. I'm trying to see if it's got good like durability. And if I don't get a chance to like wear test a wig, I will do some things that I normally do, like sing a lot and run my fingers through it to test the wig to see if it's got tangling or shedding. I don't recommend you do that when you're styling your wig. Kind of don't touch it, you know? That'll just make your wig last just a smidge longer. But if you're like me, girl, I got to get my hands up in it. I'm sorry. But what I'm doing is I'm going to flatten this parting space with my flat iron. This is what I did before I got my hot comb. This is a perfect solution if you don't have one. This is great if you're new to wearing wigs and you've kind of got that bulkier up top. If you don't do this step, I do encourage you to do that. There are some small things that you can do, simple steps that can take you from looking like you're wearing a wig to like, nobody will even say nothing. And first of all, nobody should be talking to you or checking you about your hair, period. But if somebody, you know, because people like to share their opinions in today's world, feels the need to open up, oh, it does have a little bit of flyaways, you know, at least you laid the wig as close to your scalp as possible. And so that's my little secret. Now I'm going to use a little Got2b, not a lot because I'm not trying to glue this little wig onto my head. I just want to lay the little lace part area as flat as possible. As you can see, I don't have on my wig grip, girl. I could not find it, and I wasn't about to spend 30 minutes looking for it. Like, no. But I do encourage you to get wig grip. I have some wig grip that I've used on other videos, and you can check those out. I'll post a link down in the description box to some of my other really good beginner-friendly wig videos, in case you're curious for some other styles, like some bobs and stuff like that, you know. So now that we're waiting for the lace to kind of lay and all that, we're gonna do the most important step, which is, girl, I can't stress this enough, sis. And my experienced Tribe Squad who like wear wigs or does wig reviews, girl, drop a comment and really share some of that knowledge for people who are beginners on how important it is to really define that parting space. Like, I feel like I can't say this enough. It really is a difference maker. Girl, look. Who wearing a wig? Me. It's me, y'all. I'm wearing a wig. I ain't got no hair. No. But for real, that's such a difference maker. A lot of people don't do that, and I don't understand. It's something that'll take your wig a long way, and especially if you want to start wearing other styles like full lace frontals, HD lace, those wigs, girl, they take a little finesse now. So you need to start with something like this, like me. You know, I really like wigs like this because I am a grab and go kind of chick. Like, I'm super minimal. That's just who I am. But overall, the wig is super cute, sis. It's in the color 1B. It's long. But let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Y'all feeling this super cute slay tribe? Anyways, I appreciate y'all rocking with me on my journey. And if you're new, I hope you subscribed and you come back for more. I will see you guys Tuesday for Tips on a Tuesday. Let me know what you guys think of the video. I'll see you guys next time.